Quadratic functions can be used to represent real-world situations, and one example where that happens is with cost, revenue, and profit. Revenue and profit can sometimes, and cost as well, could be modeled with a quadratic function. In this case, our cost is going to be a linear function, so let's think about the description of the problem here and come up with a function that represents the cost. The Grumpy Poet hot dog stand has fixed weekly costs of $280, and variable costs for preparing a hot dog is 40 cents. So to put those together, if the Grumpy Poet, for part A here, if the Grumpy Poet sells X hot dogs, then the cost of producing those X hot dogs is going to be 40 cents per hot dog plus $280. So the fixed cost would be things that don't depend on the number of hot dogs that are made, so maybe taxes or like a rental fee for their hot dog stand, and the 40 cents would be like the ingredients for the hot dog and the time to make each hot dog. So altogether, those represent the cost of producing X hot dogs. Now in part B, we're simply given a function for revenue for selling X hot dogs, and putting those together we can find the profit. So something you may have heard from an economics class or in some other setting, the profit of a business, it's the revenue minus the cost. The amount that comes in is the revenue, and the amount they have to spend to generate that revenue is called the cost, and the difference between those gives us the profit. So in the context of a function, if I want to find the profit for selling X hot dogs, it's going to be the revenue that comes in from those sales minus the cost. And so the profit function is negative 0.002 x squared plus 3x, and then minus that entire cost function that we just found. So 0.4x plus 280. So we end up with a function, a quadratic function, negative 0.002 x squared plus 2.6x minus 280. And part C asks us to evaluate that function, analyze and think about that function and identify how many hot dogs should be sold to maximize profit, and then what is the maximum weekly profit. So I'm going to stop talking and end the video here, but I would encourage you to kind of take what you know about quadratic functions and think about where the maximum is going to occur. Notice there will be a maximum because the coefficient in front of x squared is negative. And all right. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.